Hello and welcome to my channel, and I am your host Galactica Tranctica. In this episode I'm going to teach you the basics of playing the piano and some basic music theory along the way. Please note that this video is for beginners only. I hope you enjoy. In this episode we're going to look at the piano. There are 12 notes on the piano, including the sharps and flats. The sharps and flats are the black keys, and the naturals are the white keys. Today we will learn just the white keys, where they are on the piano. It is a good idea to buy some sticky labels so that you can stick them on the keys and write the name of the key on the label. That will help you as a beginner to find and learn the notes of the keys. With that being said, let's learn the note where the notes are. Using the black keys or the sharps and flats as a guide, the black keys are in a pattern. They go 2, 3, 2, 3 and so on. I'll explain that further. 2, so we've got 2 black keys there together. Then you have 3. And then 2 again, and 3, and so on. The 12 notes on the piano is that all you need to learn to play the piano, because yes, there's 88 keys, but those 12 notes just repeat themselves. They're just an octave higher. So, the further left you go on the piano, the lower the note. The further right you go on the piano, the higher the notes. But they're all based on those 12 keys, because they repeat themselves, they're just an octave higher. So, first off, to find middle C, stand in the middle of the piano, find the first set of 2 black keys. So, these 2. Find the first one, then go back and you've got middle C. I'll show you again. The first black key, where there's 2 black keys together, go back and you have middle C. Now, the musical language uses 7 letters, A to G. Once you reach G, it repeats again, A to G, A to G. So, if that's C, the next note is D. The next note is E. The next note is F. The next note is G. And remembering that it only goes A to G, the next note is A, then B, then back to C again. So, that one is C, so is that note C, but an octave higher. To play your first chord, a chord is a set of notes which are played together, which sound good together. So, today, for this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play C major on the piano. First, we need to find C. So remembering what I said earlier, find the first two black keys which are together. Find the first one, then go back, and there's C. To play C major, it is easy. All you have to do is put C down, miss a key, press the next key, which is E, miss a key, and press the next key. When you play them three notes together, you have C major. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand the piano a little bit better, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel, as it helps the channel a lot. See you next time. Bye.